Welcome back on Top Night Show. In case you just join us, we discuss the matter of that guy when he say he enter house after he come back from business. His mama, his wife tell him say his mama.
Na Igbo man.
Na Igbo man. His wife tell him to say his mama slap him, drag her hair. He can't go inside the mama room, make he go discuss with the mama.
Yes, yeah.
His mama tell him, the mama they cry. Tell him say his wife slap her. Now,
not be laughing matter.
This thing not be laughing matter. Now the matter where they there be say, waiting this guy go do, how him go take settle up. The guy don't come up fast and explode up so now.
He said no fit come crazy for inside the house.
He
said because he don't know who they lie and who they tell truth. So as in this, so he no want to die young. Make him come out, go think first, go think in life, think as he want to take do him. Because in the and cut him, Muna help me. Because as in this, so he don't know what to do. As they talk this matter now, he sit down where in there, they watch this till.
Margaret, good evening.
Waiting una get to check inside.
I am with you, my sister in the Lord. How is your ministry?
Yeah, Margaret.
I'm fine. You know what's happen, eh? You know, say when dog bite person, no be story. But when person come bite dog, that be the new story.
Okay.
You see some mother-in-law, they can be so funny. I go beat the mama, she go miss road, come Lagos. Make the guy just tell her mama, make he leave the house because the guy don't marry. Make them leave her.
Okay.
I wonder what they worry all this mother-in-law then. They don't go stay their own husband house. They want to be do Jumito for Lagos. Once they come to Lagos, what do they find?
So now what do you advise this guy now make him do for this issue?
Make it tell the mama because see, Bible make us to understand that man shall leave his parents and be joined with his wife. Not man shall leave his wife and be joined with his parents.
Okay.
You understand? They don't marry. They let them be. Mother to Lagos, you for waiting, on top waiting now.
But you know go solve the problem.
Even beat you.
Hey, but Margaret, it is not going to solve the problem. How he go take settle this quarrel?
I'll make you come up for house.
Make the mama come up for house.
Their village. Anyhow.
Okay. No wahala. Margaret, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Amolola from Ilorin. Good evening. Amolola.
Hello, Aneju. Good evening.
Good evening. How is you?
I'm fine, no.
Amolola, chook mouth for this matter.
Katim, how you doing?
See me here, my sister. How now?
Now?
But they inside clothed.
I don't say but they inside well. Hello?
Yes,
they hear you.
See, this matter that they talk this evening. Tell the man, tell to mama, carry and go meet your husband for village. Now, he wife is married now. I think his mama is married.
I'm on a lab, wait, you know, say this thing no go solve the problem.
It is easier.
Hello?
You no go solve problem now.
I ain't go take settle this matter.
Make him beg his mama now. Make him process for his mama. Mama say he is very sorry. And beg his wife. He kiss his wife. He just make him carry his mama go in for village. And if his man no get husband, him rent another apartment for the mother.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's to stop the problem. If you want to live long, go to die, let him go and let another house for the mother.
Amolola, thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, ma. Hello, good evening. I did fine, my brother. How is you?
Thank God. That's my body.
You got me, Mamba. I don't know.
Is it big on the wheel?
Yes, boss. Good evening. Hi, Baba.
Did you see this matter? That's not you know.
Okay.
See that guy we don't come up for house, so now small people do ambo. If you understand your wife well, and you understand your mother, if you know what your mother will do, you know what your wife will do. Maybe something don't happen, you just come back from work. You didn't say your wife they cry, your mama they cry, you can't enter room, go see your wife. What's happen? Once you draw your hair, this is that. You go meet your mama, see the same thing they cry. Come up for house. No, you don't do like that.
Okay.
At least you go apply maturity. Just try bring peace.
Okay.
You know what? It don't be like man and woman. Maybe the husband and wife. Your wife offend you, or your wife you offend your.
Hello, Christian.
Yeah, Christian, okay.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Christian, I don't like Kalama. I don't like Christian. Okay. Oh God, no mind. Don't try me. Hello.
Oh yeah, me will check tweet message. Anthony Mecheta said they swear for the guy. You see for this matter, na lie detector go fit solve am. Make him borrow the one where we get for late night show. Say because one person they lie. Messi say the man should send his mother back to her house with apologies. Chioma Joy say make them do lie detector again. But you know say this thing, and they tell them to say before the break, say if it be say the wife get hot temper, the mama get hot temper. So in that kind of situation, and naked for Yemibo is guilty and is not guilty. You know say your wife the quick vex, your mother the quick vex. You know if you take that one judge now.
Anyway, hello, good evening, Fisayo. Fisayo. You don't put call on hold.
You put us on hold.
Call us back. Nelson, good evening.
Good evening, good evening, sir.
How is you, my brother?
No bad, Katina, evening.
Hey, evening, my brother.
Easy beat.
Yes, boss. Don't worry, yes.
Call your, yes.
And they do, I beg, you see the way these ladies, they just they discuss on this issue, and they vex.
Okay.
They don't forget, say, one day, they say go be mother-in-law.
Thank you!
The only one day they go be mother-in-law, why they go to talk, say, the mother, no be the pikin married. Man, no be,
go village, make you go stay.
One day they go be mother-in-law like that, mama. So, what me I go talk is say, make the guy settle down, look into the two of them.
Okay.
True. If the guy supposed to know mama, know the mother-in-law, know the way mama fit do, and what the
wife
do. What the wife fit do. So, no, I don't support those things, all those ladies that they discuss. They pay me as a day or so. So they go be mother-in-law.
So Nelson, what you try to tell them? Be say make him come back Lagos now. See two of them. Talk to them, Abi.
Yes.
Make him talk to them one first, one after the other.
Exactly. Make him use the man wisdom.
Okay.
All right, no wahala. Nelson, thank you very much.
Hey, you know that guy will take picture with you last time though for now in studio.
Hey!
In studio, where that my friend they snap you, where how they shake.
Okay! How now?
No bad,
Well done, my brother.
Chioma Joy say make the guy install CCTV camera secretly to see what thing they happen.
Deborah from Calabar, good evening. Deborah, your TV they too loud. Your phone they your ear.
I don't know.
Hello?
Deborah, your phone they your ear.
Yes, hello, I'm hearing you.
Then reduce your TV volume.
I'm outside, I'm not even there.
So, how you there? How is you?
I'm fine, Edu.
I check your mouth for this discussion.
You know what I say, make it tell the mother go back to the village. Make him enjoy his wife. So make him even love his wife past the way he even love her before. Make the mother go see for village with his husband.
All right, Deborah, thank you very much. Oh, you don't talk, so thank you for your opinion. Thank you very much. Good night. Hello.
Talk, is that the matter?
Hello. Okay. Now on top Twitter, Rachel Nigeria said, "Now wow, make the guy go."
One of this eatery,
buy better goodies, then do last supper with him mama. Now his wife he marry, not him mama. And
but suppose the wife come. Suppose the wife been there wrong.
You see, as this guy send this message, you gonna say he get attachment with his mama.
Of course, now his mama.
He get attachment to his mama for him to even agree, because me self, I even the reason the matter for you to even you just marry.
Yes.
You and your wife suppose don't first day. Not be a mugo. You never get belle where you go say okay, I can't do a mugo. I can't do anything. No, you can't. Well. Nah, then Sabi. Hello. Shoaibu.
Good evening.
Shoaibu, good evening. How you there? How is you?
Good evening, oh.
I'm fine. Easy Blaze.
Yes, boss.
Please.
Good evening.
Yes, your breakfast.
I check him out for this matter, Shoaibu.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
The weekend next is just talk now, I just want to say God bless the nation. The next week just come from Lagos. These women will complain so.
Yes.
Give them just 3 years. Most of them will become also mother-in-laws. And when goes around comes back around. They don't want to think about that one. Waiting when they talk now, carry the woman go village, carry the woman go meet her husband, carry the woman go. It not be like that. The man know the wife he marry, and the man know the mother we he get. Now to just settle down small, think a little, he will find a truth for himself.
Okay.
So that's what the matter be.
So make him come back to Lagos now. Come discuss with them. What you got advice? Make him come back Lagos.
Make him sit down, two of them. Says, oh yeah,
I be make him talk to them 1-1.
Yes, you never need to even talk to them because you know your wife and you know the mother where you get.
Okay. All right, no wala. Shoaibu, thank you very much. Hello, good evening. Nena.
Good evening, Edu.
My sister, how you doing?
I know. I requested for something yesterday, didn't give me, but notwithstanding, I want to chook mouth.
Okay, ngwa chook mouth for this matter.
What goes around turns around.
Okay.
That woman that the wife will still be a mother-in-law one day.
Okay.
And the thing is, if there's problem before they send the woman home, the cost and the problem will keep on lingering to the children.
Okay.
The children, the grandchildren.
Okay.
So what that man will do is to, if you look for a way of maybe praying, do fasting, or call a pastor, he rely on. Like this Pastor Stephen, or somebody that is a marriage counselor.
Okay.
And you rely on that we help him come and make peace between two of them.
Okay.
Or he look for somebody they trust in their village. He can sponsor it, or carry two of them go home, or invite the person to come. Then the person must be somebody that two of them, the mother used to respect, and the wife used to respect, or something like that. Prayerfully, he make peace with them. After making peace and staying at the center, not to be one-sided, then he can now quietly send the mother home. By that time, they're in peace.
Okay,
so
then go down settle.
Differences on her heart.
Okay.
Because if she die on that state, when she has gone home, there'll be problem. And it's a lingering cause. It's a lingering problem. That's what I want to say. I want to put mouth on that thing.
Nena, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And Nena. Hello, Nena.
Okay, Nena, if you dey listen, Pastor, here your number.
Yeah. 0817-232-7000.
Yes.
0817-232-7000.
Send text first.
Send a text first.
Give her your number. He go call you back.
He will call you back. Hello, good evening. Timothy. Timothy.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How is you? Are you with me?
I am with you.
Bam, you are there. I'm going to choke him out for this talk. Where would they talk?
See, all the word that they talk, say make the man tell you, Mama mean go back to the village. Not people like this. Make it call the two of them, sit them together, tell them, say, if they're not set to, I think they come out now, say, if they're not set to before evening, they're not going to see them again. Say,
not be said they're not going to see him. In Abuja as we they talk so now. Timothy, this thing happened on Tuesday last week.
Make you not run away.
Okay. You say make him come back. Come back face to face. Say they need to settle otherwise. They not go see him again.
Make you call the two of them together. Make them sit down. Tell them if they're not settled before evening, say he no will come back. Because the two of them they're important to the man now.
Makes sense.
You know, it's not ready to lose the wife. Likewise, his mother, and none of them is ready to lose the man.
Yeah, you are right. You're right. Thank you.
Thank you, Timothy.
Timothy, thank you very much.
Like you are reading the riot act.
I think say they read Constitution.
Yes. Get
Hello,
with the program or go. Yes. Hello.
Martins.
Hello.
Martins, good evening. How is you?
Me is fine.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
Bam, you are there. Talk your talk for this talk. What would they talk? Oh, talk your talk.
Before I start, I give you the code for the other day.
Pra in Arias. Oh yeah, would they hear you talk?
Such situation. First of all, I never talk why the mama did the house.
My brother, as we they follow you talk so now, we don't know why the mama did the house.
If he say the boy now invite the mama come the house, maybe they come or move or the mama not where they take care of him.
Because I know say the wife not go say make the mama come. And they talk continue.
For the fact say as the man they in between, the man suppose know the kind of person when the mama be.
Okay.
And suppose know the kind of person when he marry for house. So such situation, if that kind of argument come out, you suppose know without being told who go don't cause that problem. I just left for you to just play the play peace and solve the whole issue. Not be to run come up for house.
All right, no wala. Thank you very much, Martin.
The other day, one issue come up. You can't tell Katim. You no need to ask you a question because you already know what Katim go do.
Okay, you understand. But my brother, for women, they're not the feature. Women,
women be like chameleon.
It be like chameleon. You go see your wife go smile, give you now, oh baby. You go see, oh baby, I love you.
Yeah, as you come out like this, it will say you put CCTV camera for house.
Oh, you don't see get to talk to you for phone. Oh, baby, I love you. I love you, baby. I can't do without you.
Meanwhile, baby boo one.
Meanwhile, baby boo.
Baby two. Baby boo two.
Ebu has a boo. Ade, good evening.
Good evening, oh.
How is you?
How una dey? Nedu, my oga.
We there, oh.
Hey, my organ number 2. How is you?
Where Nicodemus?
I dey your side.
I don't know.
I beg, I want shook my.
Ungwa, check your mouth. Talk your talk for this talk. Who will they talk?
Hey, wetin I want talk be say, una first ask how old is the guy?
Na men is sending. Now we not go fit ask how old.
Na adults now.
Okay, wetin I go talk be say, the guy living with him mama from small till reach that time where he don't reach where he come marry. The wife, he get the time where he stay with his wife 2-4 years. He don't stay with his wife for years like that. Wetin me I want talk be say, this thing will happen today. His mama don't do am for am before. His wife don't do am for am before.
You know the guy.
Like the wife. No, wetin I dey talk. Wetin don't happen now. They tell you, oga.
Okay.
This wife, we tell lie. The person will tell lie inside 2 of them. The man no, because he don't live with the man with the mama for years till he gets married. He live with the wife for like 5 or 6 years before he can't get married with the wife. He know it's my mama. They tell like he go face him mama. It's one way make her run. Now mumu. He for stand there tell my mama say, Mama, I know you very well. My wife, I know you very well. Now you do this thing. If my mama do am, he go tell him mama to mama, what you do, you know good. I know say now your character be this. If my wife to tell her say, my wife, I know you now your character be this. Because such things as alcohol before. It don't happen before. Where the man don't see her with the eye. Nobody say that thing just happened. So wait, the next thing be say make the man sit his mama down. Tell the mama say, Mama, this thing will happen, you don't do it before. Wife, this thing will happen, you don't do it before. But that thing will happen between 2 of them. One of them must have that character.
Okay.
What thing happen between 2? What thing happen now? Where the mama they cry, where the pikin they cry. One of them has one bad character.
Thank you.
The man know him.
Oh yeah, Ade.
The man act.
All right, Ade, thank you very much. From Abuja, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
My sister, how is you, Joy?
I'm fine, oh. How is everything? Auntie Katim, good evening.
Evening, my sister. Oh yeah, chook mouth for this matter, please.
Talk your talk.
This issue, the man I get the house.
Okay.
So it is to make him stand for that house.
Okay.
Sending a mother home is not
the answer.
The issue at all.
Okay.
If you really want a mother to go, as per se, now he go settle the issue. He go talk to his wife. If he send the woman back home now, problem don't start. See and die. You go carry her for her, the back of her mind.
Yes.
Now this lady make my son send me back. So if make it talk to the wife, no matter anything, whoever the fault, now the wife go mellow down.
Okay.
Make it talk to the wife. Cool down. Small time, this woman go. Whatever it is, just hold on. So that they will send the woman home peacefully without any issue.
Okay.
So when she goes, they will not avoid her coming back again. So that the thing will not reoccur.
Okay.
But sending her now is not the issue. Now another problem they
go cause now.
All right, no wahala. Thank you very much, my sister. Hello from Lagos. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. This is Mike, calling from Lagos.
Mike, how now? How is you?
I'm fine, and you?
We do. Mike, talk your talk for this talk. Where will they talk? I listen this
I want to be say the man he never mature for marriage. If you say he don't mature, he for no come up for house.
Okay.
Like me now, my wife is just born, so, and my sister just come up from my house on go village on Tuesday. So once they don't marry, there must surely be an issue between you and your wife, and they think you are matured, you must surely handle it.
So wait, your sister been get issue with your wife?
I say, I know how they go to get small issue now.
Then go there, I be then get.
Then get, now they must surely get.
So now what make you pursue her?
I know, he don't stay now, he call my wife born, so he don't stay.
He stay how long?
He do.
Okay. No, wahala, Mike. We don't hear. Thank you very much. Now, something where is here. I don't know. May I feel say people supposed to reason this thing.
May we go Twitter first. Obiora on top Twitter said the man no be real man at all. Yours because your wife and mother get issues. Now you come out for house. He go run tire.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.